Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix, you should just go to Settings. Here in this page, we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. After that, in this list, you will enter to the window of Netflix. When you'll find this page, we click on First Stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of Storage. Then in this page we click Clear Cache. Don't click Clear Data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all the steps, you can turn off your phone to fix that problem you have on Netflix app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.